breathe in and breathe out. We do this many times a day, and your car's engine does it too. And just like our lungs, your car's engine can get damaged if too much dirt and debris gets inside of it. To prevent that, cars use air filters, and this is what a dirty air filter looks like. Compare that to a clean one. So in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to change your car's air filter so that you can do it yourself. There are many different air filters out there. Most are specifically designed for your vehicle make and model. The easiest way to get the right part is to call or visit your local OpenRoad Parts Department, and the parts advisor will assist in finding you the right air filter. As for tools, all you need are your fingers and maybe a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver. That's the one with the cross. To start with, turn off the engine and pop the hood, which I've already done. Next, look for a big black box. Usually it's on the side of the engine. So in this case, it's this one right here. Simply undo the clips. Some cars do have screws holding down the top of the air box, so that's why you need the screwdriver. And then gently lift up the top of the air box. And you can pull out the air filter. Now obviously this car is brand new, so we're not going to be changing the air filter, but as I showed you at the start of the video, you do not want your air filter to be looking really dark and black. If you have an older vehicle, don't pull the lid too much, as the plastic tube that the lid is connected to can get brittle over time and could develop a crack. Once the air filter is out, double check to make sure that they are both the same size, and simply slide in the new air filter into the lower portion of the airbox. Then clip on or use the screws to secure the top of the airbox. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change the air filter in your vehicle. For more how-tos and tips, visit openroadautogroup.com or check the video description below for links to our other videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.